Physics has subatomic particles mapped out down to the decimal. Biology tracks exactly how cells replicate. Neuroscience can light up the specific clusters of your brain firing when you feel anxious. But put all three in a room, and they can't talk to each other. We are living in a unification vacuum, a state where the mathematical languages of the hard sciences are completely incompatible. Try writing a single equation that simultaneously maps the trajectory of a subatomic quark and the onset of a human emotion. And currently, that equation does not exist. Our current understanding of reality is broken into isolated fragments that cannot logically communicate with each other. The A model is a highly speculative, theoretical framework that attempts to bridge these gaps using a single, unified language. The core equation of the A model looks like this. It's a dense block of advanced calculus and Greek letters that at first glance feels impenetrable. However, you can decode this entire formula using one familiar metaphor, a Russian matryoshka nesting doll. In this theory, these dolls are constructed out of pure, vibrating mathematics. The A model treats the universe as a series of nested, resonant structures, vibrating inside one another. The smallest, innermost doll represents the foundation of raw physical reality. To build it, the model uses a quaternion, a four-dimensional mathematical tool engineered to calculate three-dimensional rotation with absolute precision. In the A model, physical matter is seen as a spinning, vibrating mathematical shape defined by continuous quaternion rotations. This establishes geometry and rotation as the fundamental building blocks of the physical universe. So how do those spinning mathematical particles actually combine together to form a complex, living, dynamically replicating stain? The model introduces a hyperquaternion, a second layer of math wrapping the first, like a larger nesting doll. Life survives as long as its vibration remains aligned with the physical layer inside it. This is coherence. If the vibrations clash, the system reaches phase entropy. The mathematical structure fractures, manifesting as illness or death. Biological life represents a synchronized mathematical spin successfully wrapping around a smaller, faster spin. Scaling the model up further reveals how human nervous systems and conscious thoughts fit into the hierarchy. The outermost layers, the experiential and mental dolls, are massive quaternionic vibrations enclosing the physical and biological ones. In this framework, consciousness is an overarching layer of resonance locking into the lower layers. This chart shows the intensity peak of a reality knot, a highly stable configuration where all these layers vibrate together without collapsing. A conscious human being is a localized pillar of mathematical stability, holding these nested layers together in a chaotic field. Now, we can return to that first equation. The first half lists our four Russian dolls: physical, biological, experiential, and mental. The subset symbols reveal the rule of the model. Each layer is securely nesting inside the next. What looked like impossible calculus is actually a blueprint for a hyperdimensional nesting doll. While the A model remains highly speculative, it suggests that our physical and mental experiences share a single underlying architecture. Every heartbeat, every cell division, and every thought occurs as part of the exact same spinning mathematical top. It implies that a human being is the result of these different scales of reality, finding a shared, synchronized rhythm.